This how the bed go, how the bed go, how the bed go. Where your legs go, bitch, where your head go. Let my hand go, punish her with pressure, pitch a pussy, not a bad bro.
What's up, YouTube? Vloggy, vlog. Okay, so I'm gonna come out with another vlog. And today is the 18th video. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but I'm gonna make it long enough for y'all to wanna watch it. But yes, I'm wearing my glasses, but I wanna take it out. Come with me. Here's my tattoos, y'all. Period. Mari's in her sleep. We're gonna go to the airport. Right now we just waiting. We're leaving at 4. Our flight is at 8 in the morning, but you want to be there, 3 hours ahead or 2. But I say 3. Yeah. I'm just tired. I'm just stalling right now. You want to see my video? I almost forgot to vlog. I ain't gonna lie. I almost forgot to vlog. I was so tired. I was just like, damn, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just get back to y'all when we make it to the airport. What's up, y'all? We made it to the airport. And yeah, I got a lot of shit. Don't worry about that. Some breakfast from McDonald's. But we left our stuff at the thing. And I hope they don't touch our shit. Like, I'm ready for it. Much to watch on they die. They're gonna get stabbed. A hot cake. And a hash brown with some orange juice. My God. Oh, my bad. I was just gonna hash brown and a mint griddle. It's halfway gone though. We're just waiting to get on our plane, which I'm bored at 7:25. Right now it's like 7:02 maybe. So I'm just gonna enjoy my. I wanna play. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch this without headphones. Just gonna just watch it without the sound.
Hey DJ! Hey DJ! You know how it goes, she wanna smoke, so I got some good to the oak, just got the top from the shit.
She wanna cover her face, stop playing with me.
I was born to shoot, I got aim, I'm like Johnny Day, when it comes to shame, so I'm
Period. Damn, this like hidden. This is not a photo. This is a whole video. Y'all done.
Trying to get lit.
Oh, y'all can go. Wait till. Yeah, we in here. It's just a regular vlog. Let me know who y'all see though. If y'all see anybody, let me know. If y'all see anybody y'all know, comment down below, tag their names, make sure they see the YouTube videos and all that shit. And we down this motherfucker. We on the escalator and shit. We finna get them, they finna get them something to eat though, I don't know. But I got me some snacks, I'm chilling. Look at them again. Oh what though, we straight. Wait, he ain't see you, but yeah. So it's like we with them, you know what I'm saying? If y'all know they apps, put them on this video. I'm gonna just walk around with this motherfucker, just talking to y'all, cause I gotta get used to the camera. I'm not used to this shit. I be so fucking nervous. Here go my bitch Nay in the cut. Period, bad bitch.
Ass fat. 48 years came in the pack.
Ball head hoe. Be going that shit. What happened? Oh.
nah, look.
It ain't no nah but look, bitch.
For real.
Damn.
Cause you know that's what Yeah. It ain't funny, Roscoe. Fit check. Fit
We
check.
going upstairs?
Fit check.
Roscoe.
Oh shit. Shit. I'm fucking up. Wait, always hold your hand like. See that? You nervous? That's how they supposed to hold it. I'm like, so.
Let me tell you how the day going. We're going good so far. We're doing good, you know what I'm saying? Whole lot of well-known big step and shit. You hear me? That works.
Got the whole game. Nigga Roscoe up in this motherfucker. I got big goal. Hold on. Drip check. Period. Yeah, check the fit. Check the fit. Oh. Where'd they go? Oh, why you gotta show me that? Don't do that. Come on, hey little girl. Hey y'all, this is
This for YouTube?
yeah, I forgot I was vlogging. Say hey gang.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.
Y'all already know. Period. Yeah. I forgot I was vlogging. Get her in there, mother. Get her in there. Y'all know the vibe. Yeah.
I'm rapping so I'm done.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck if
Yeah.
this shit on my chain. I've been in the
Yo, them bitches on my dick in the car. Money and I flew in the
Fuck that vlog. Fuck y'all hoes.
Fuck everybody. Where the party's at? Like, where the
She going to the parties. I'm going home to bed, bitch.
She coming with, I don't know what she talking about. Right here.
You been here, Lily? I mean, no, like.
Oh, hey, Lexi. Oh, shit. You can't see. Shit.
Hey?
He's on your.
Oh, shit. But you gonna really burn up.
Oh, shit. So we just at the park. We trying to look for the after parties. Like, where the parties at? Where the kicks at?
Where the kickbacks at? Where the kickbacks at?
You know we kick those, can't wait to be your block. Got some more till I sicko. I've been a part of Purdy, told me chill before you hold up. Keep your clothes on, I'm a joker with your knock before you niggas quit the cap. When you see me, better pop, you already know that I get out of. Let me see him, I'm a robber. I'm the one gonna sling that out. How you niggas active in the city, how your niggas down. If you want some head, then I'm leave. I'm gonna bust, get on the Johnson till he there, won't call me here. 2 times, hit me knocking at the door, let's go ahead. Told Drake, go ahead, you there, it won't be longer till we out there.
Period. Again, let's see the guy. Why would you jeans? Hey, baby. You smell good, baby.